The benefits of avocado for pregnant women are not limited to that, there are many other benefits that you can get. So, it is not surprising that this one fruit is often used as a mandatory food choice for pregnant women. The following are some of the benefits of avocado for pregnant women based on the nutrients contained in it. 1. Source of calories and healthy fats. Pregnant women are encouraged to gain weight in a healthy way. The trick is to eat calorie foods. One fruit that is suitable as a source of calories during pregnancy is avocado. In one medium-sized avocado, contain 250 calories. In addition, another benefit of avocado is as a source of healthy fats that are good for pregnant women and play a role in supporting the development of the brain and eyes of the fetus. 2. Source of fiber. Pregnant women are prone to problems in the digestive tract, one of which is constipation. This condition is usually caused by a lack of fiber in the diet of pregnant women. In addition, hormonal changes also make the muscles in the digestive tract of pregnant women relax, which slows down the process of digestion and movement of food. So to prevent constipation, pregnant women are recommended to meet the daily fiber needs. Eating fruit is the safest way to meet this fiber requirement. One fruit that has high fiber content is avocado. 3. Source of various vitamins. Avocados are a source of various vitamins, such as vitamins C, E, K, B5, B6 and folic acid, which are important for the health of pregnant women and the fetus. For example, vitamin C is needed by pregnant women and fetuses because it can help protect and maintain healthy cells, form collagen, repair damaged tissue, accelerate healing, fight infection, and help the body absorb iron. While folic acid is very useful for preventing neural tube defects in the fetus. Besides being consumed directly, avocado can also be served as a complementary ingredient on sandwiches, or used as a juice drink or smoothie without adding milk. When pregnant, it is important to choose the type of food that has complete and healthy nutrition. Avocados can be one of the healthy food choices during pregnancy. Don't hesitate to consult a doctor if you are in doubt or have certain health conditions.